Okay, guys. We're going to do another problem. This is using Screencastify as my screen recorder, and I think it's working pretty well. So here's another homework problem for 6.6. Again, these videos can only be 5 minutes in length, so I'm going as quickly as I can. And I'll be uploading these directly to my YouTube channel, which is Just Math Y'all. And please feel free to subscribe to that channel so that these can be coming to you as quickly as I get them out. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is going to multiply by the denominator in order to cancel. This is just like the previous video. If you look at it, it's just like it. Notice these denominators are technically married, and so I'm going to multiply the whole thing by the m minus the 4. Now, I'm not going to do any fancy FOIL or anything like that because they're just going to cancel out. So just watch carefully. I'm going to distribute. Pick my color. So when I do this distributing right here, when I do that multiplication, the m minus 4s are going to cancel, and I'm just going to be left with m. Then I'm going to distribute here. That's going to give me a negative 5 times m minus 4 because there's no canceling here. And then when I do that last one, again, the m minus 4s will cancel, and I'm just left with 4. Stop the video and think that through. I think it's more confusing when you actually write it all out, but if you need to see it written all the way out, then go ahead. But I'm doing that m minus 4 times each one of those, and in 2 cases it cancels out. All right, so now the next step is just to solve what I have. So I will go ahead and distribute here. Watch your signs because it's going to be a plus 20. All right, and then I'm going to combine my like terms. This right here is going to make a negative 4m. Now solve. I'm going to subtract 20 on both sides. And I get negative 16. And then I'll divide both sides by negative 4. And I'm going to get m is equal to 4. Now, that's my answer, but step 3 says check. Check. Now, when I check, I take this and put it up there. Notice, if I put a 4 in that denominator, I'm going to get a 0. Does not check. No solution. All right, now let me go over it again. When I put that into just the denominator, I have 4 minus 4, and that's 0. And you can't do that. That is a no-no. Does not check. Please make sure you understand that when I get 4 for this problem, that's the algebraic answer, but that is not going to work. And that's why it's so important. So this answer is no solution. We have the empty set for my answer. This one does not work.